Ungavusa stress amayitali soka lakho lisendleleni. In a two-seater ngiyeko highway cruising lane to lane. Uma udinga idayimani elimnyama, there is a price to pay. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay. Ungavusa stress amayitali soka lakho lisendleleni. In a two-seater ngiyeko highway cruising lane to lane. Uma udinga idayimani elimnyama, there is a price to pay. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay.
Izola ngilalanga ngibonela umntwana ngamthanda. Izola ngilalanga ngiyazi bazothi nginamanga. Usuku bonke bengicabanga ngibonela umntwana ngahlanya. Izola ngilalanga bedlala lengoma kwamama. Igide yagida sabhekana ngibone ngensizwa sebhekana. Sibanga zifuna ngenkani zonke seyifela amaphansi. Yo lengane njani ihamba ne-artist isibuku plan. Nesolibisha ngo-1 so tshela mina ngenze njani. So I signed to the left and that's how we left. I call it theft. It's time to powering to the crib so we breathe, cause that's what she needs. She said boy you looking nice, I like. I'm just here for advice. I'm in the crisis, well I got something to say. You got a price to pay. Slumaka.
Yeah. My new song, I'm a Flop. Please guys follow the song featuring Dizzle Speaker Dot. Yeah.
Tell the game we're coming soon and the season get force. We on the grind and we can't make a loss.
Boy.
They only be rapping by rides and Porsches. Please stop. See they got all these with diamonds on top. How the hell did they get to the top? Baba, into my flop. Into my flop. Into my flop. Come on the top. Into my flop. Into my flop. Into my flop. Come on the top.
Boy.
Puga back on sang you feeling your mob. Feeling your feeling your mod. To push it out go back keep it spawn. Showing Scotland in back keep them con. Puts up a camera cause we about to pop. Up on the stage and I dance like I'm baby, I'm Bob. Trapping and run from the cops. Sailing to tooling and analyzer. Gaming on leadings with sanitizer. Life's a bitch, we flip her, we feed us. She jab him not double biggie. We lay a neck with a biggie. I wanted to loot, I'm a digging. And I'm petting bars, I can't take guys and calling, pumping, popping, full guys. It's Lumaka plan say zim zim. Slaughtering, lazy ting ting. To try to check the flow in zim. I feel the beat, now it's lalling dim. Fuel it up, fuck with diesel till it's ringing. That.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, that's my new single, I'm a Flop, featuring Dizzle Speaker Doro. Please follow that. Produced by Fast Lane, and of course, the touch of Mr. Mercedes. And last but not least, I'm gonna do you your favorite, one of my people's favorite, my well-known song, Crazy, produced by Mr. Mercedes. Lumaka Plan, my guys. Lumaka on Facebook, Lumaka Plan ZA on Instagram, Lumaka Plan ZA on YouTube, and of course, Nothing. Don't forget to follow Nothing. Nothing by Marka on Instagram and Nothing on Facebook. Marka. Let's go. Crazy, my people.
She driving me crazy.
Yeah.
She driving me crazy.
I'm kind of scared to sing this one, you know?
She driving me crazy.
But I love the song.
I told my homie she the best. And Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you and me up I feel blessed. I told my homie she the best. And Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you and me up I feel blessed. She driving me crazy. 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 Yeah. She driving me crazy. Ngendo vyange. Mtwana sondela ngane. She driving me crazy. Lay her in that banger bed. Said I wanna take you out to places. Ngitshele ufuna style. And I could do it all. Cause baby you driving me crazy. She stuck in the ghetto, I'm back in the city. She said that she need me, I told her I need her. And that's when I'm thinking she didn't believe me. She didn't believe me. Cupping, I'm leaning. She called in the evening. Look, would you listen? This whole thing is fading. I'm tired of missing. I can't take this distance. Gassing her feelings, I'm born. She told me it's over. Asked her, and what should I do now? Once again, now I'm got born. She driving me crazy, some foggy tickets. I'm causing havoc on the mix. Out in that daily remix. Got Mercedes on the beats. We are the kings. Told my homie she the best. Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you I'm a yap, I feel blessed. I told my homie she the best. Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you I'm a yap, I feel blessed. She driving me crazy. 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 She driving me crazy.
Boy,
She driving me crazy.
Okay, waphela lokhu bekunzima belimele luva sekapholile luva sengi-right sekudlulile lokhu wavele wangivala umlomo bengakhola nothi yimi lo wavele wangivala umlomo sengivukile manje yimi lo. So I went back to Pitori ngibonga wena sengistory. And you should look at what it did for me. It got the best coming in for me. But make a plan, come and sing for me. Matter of fact, put a ring on me. I swear this mommy's got a thing for me. And they know that I'm never in for it. The pain, I've had enough. Your text back is enough, baby. Cause I told my homie you the best. And Tata when I fuck the wrist. And you can go on and on. And come back like the rest. And you can go on and on. And come back like the rest. Cause I told my homie she the best.
boy.
Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you I'm a yap, I feel blessed.
Listen.
I told my homie she the best. Tata and I fuck the rest. I told her baby fuck the haters. With you I'm a yap, I feel blessed. She driving me crazy. 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 She driving me crazy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lumak.